Okay, so as promised earlier today, I came back here with another actually review of a video that I actually did the recipe, and it is beyond amazing. So I hope that you can check it out. And the video name is Cinnamon Roll Cake hyphen Quick and Easy Recipe hyphen Cake in 5 minutes. The channel name is Bakey's Delights. Well, let me tell you something. If you have a thing like this, or a loved one makes it for you when you're waking up on a weekend for brunch with a nice hot cup of coffee or tea or whatever it is that you like to drink when you wake up in the morning, especially on a leisurely weekend. Remember those leisurely weekends? Anyway, this is a wonderful recipe, and I highly recommend it. And you see pictured on this thumbnail my actual a piece from my actual following of the recipe. I made this the other day, was amazing. Highly recommend. Check out that channel. And what I love about this is that you could just like do it so easily, and everything goes in a loaf pan, and your basic ingredients are flour, baking powder, sugar, pinch of salt, oil, one egg, imagine, a teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of milk. And then you follow the directions to make the cinnamon swirl. And it's just the whole thing is just a very simple process. But the flavor, when it all comes together and it turns into this wonderful cinnamon loaf, if you will, amazing. It does taste, to me, it does taste like a cinnamon roll. It tastes like a cinnamon roll, but of course, it's cake like. It comes out of a loaf pan. Just follow the directions, and this recipe gives everything it says it's going to give. But what I love about it, the ease of simplicity, and not to mention the low cost ingredients that many folks have on hand. And with these nippy, frosty mornings going on lately, especially on a weekend, you wake up to the smell of somebody else is making it for you of this. Have a nice cut piece of that, nice and warm and toasty. Yum, yum, yum. A really nice thing. So since it is the weekend and it is nippy, I just thought I'd give you a heads up on this particular video. I highly recommend it. Of course, I'm going to include it in the description. I'm going to include it, of course, in the comment section as a pinned post. So that's what I wanted to let you know. I did make it. 100% satisfaction. Really, really, it's a go-to, easy to do recipe. You would want to keep it in your files at all times. Really, I really mean this. All right, everybody, have an amazing, fantastic day. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.